making a firecracker celebration cake. Let's do it! Yo! So to start, I just baked off 4 9-inch round chocolate cakes, and I made a small batch of chocolate buttercream. I'm going to be adding a little bit of ground cayenne pepper and cinnamon to give that a nice kick. Then I'm just going to level these cakes out, fill them with our spicy chocolate buttercream, stack it up. Let's do it. So I'm just eyeballing this cayenne. Now, I don't like spice. Like, I'm not good with spice. My eyes start running, my ears start bleeding, I start coughing, I go into convulsions, I have to go to the hospital. That's a little extra, that doesn't happen. But anyway, so I'm just eyeballing this, putting a little bit in, I think that's a lot. My husband likes spice. We'll see. We'll see if he likes this. If he's on the toilet all morning, then it didn't go over well. A little bit of cinnamon. I'm just gonna whisk that all together. I would have just put this in the mixer, but I thought it would have been easier for you guys to see it. Anyway. Honestly, not even lying, it's a really freaking good buttercream. It's like a nice little kick at the end, and it actually complements the chocolate quite well. Try that shit out, it is good. The recipe is in the description below. Try it, go now, try it, go! So at this point, if you wanted to add a little extra kick, you could add some chili flakes just to the top of the buttercream. I'm not going to because my ass will pay for it tomorrow morning. Video, and I want to know what you guys think, so leave a comment in the comments section. I've been lucky enough for some of our cakes to be featured on some pretty big popular Facebook channels like George Takai. I think he has like 10 million followers. Viral Trend, they have 10 million followers. Unilad. But I was thinking of making a video where I read and respond to all the mean comments. What do you guys think? Do you think that'll be fun? Let me know. So I saw this technique actually on a Facebook channel, and I wanted to try to recreate it for you guys because it's such a cool technique. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, well, you just saw me fail, but whatever. So the whole idea here is we're gonna coat the entire cake with a whole bunch of different colors. Then we're gonna go around it in a black color, and then we're gonna scrape out our design so that you can see all those fabulous colors underneath that black. Let's try it. So next I have 6 different colors here that I already pre-colored. So next I have a really hot spatula and really hot water. Just gonna hold my spatula flat to the cake and straight up and just blend all those colors together, kind of like a watercolor. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this cake a nice even coat of the black icing, and then we're gonna start carving. My husband's pumpkin carving tools. He loves carving pumpkins. Anyway, now we're gonna zoom in so you won't see my pretty face, you're just gonna see the cake. Let's see if this works. So I let my cake cool in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Over here I have all my little pumpkin carving tools in really hot water. That turned out pretty damn cool. So what I would recommend for sure is the thinnest possible layer of the outer black buttercream. You want that really, really thin. What I probably would have done was left this in the freezer for a good 45 minutes before I started carving. But other than that, I think it looks really, really cool. It's a great technique. So next, I told you to keep that leftover colored buttercream, and I just shoved a whole bunch of different colors in my piping bag. I'm using a large rose tip, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make some really nice big rosettes right on top. So I just rinsed out my piping bag. It's a little wet. I should have dried it off, but whatever. Filled it with black buttercream, and I'm just gonna fill in the gaps here. I have some gold and silver disco dust. What I'm gonna do is just open it up, and right where those little circles are, literally just gonna throw it on the cake. Let's see. Yes. And then I have some firecrackers that I picked up from my local craft store. Okay, so let's be real. I do not like this orange at all. It looks like a Halloween cake. So, I'm taking the orange off. See, most YouTube cake tutorial shows would not show you this, but I will. Because this happens every day. Happens to you guys, you don't like something, you take it off, you f*** up, just like I did. So here you go. I think it would look so much better if they were just all black. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. I am not happy with this. I think it looks ugly. But I do think it's a really cool technique if I would have done it properly. I think if I did a really thin layer of the outer black and froze it for a longer period of time, it really would have worked. But I don't like it, like at all. This is the fun part of cake decorating. When you screw up, you can totally try something new, right? Although I don't think I screwed up, I'm not happy with it. I think that's really cool. I can work with that. So we're doing a whole different cake. Oh, this is fun. This is a fun episode. And then I'm going to improvise and see what the hell I can come up with. I have some white icing color that I picked up from Bulk Barn. It's actually quite old. I'm just going to put that white on the end of my paintbrush, and with my fingertip, I'm going to flick it. Yes. I think this is so cool. I'm turning it into like a splatter paint. My husband's gonna walk in and be like, what the f*** are you doing? Look at that. I love that. just cleaning up my table here because that was really messy. But I love this. I think this turned out so cool. I'm gonna call it the splatter paint cake because it looks like splatter. Okay, so I mean, I was not happy with the first cake I did, but I think I turned it into something awesome. The new splatter paint cake. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being patient. You kind of got 2 cakes in one this episode, which is kind of cool. My fail turned into your win. You're welcome. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new videos every single week. Thank you so much to Mariposa Market for sponsoring this video. I will see you all next week. Mwah!